Welcome back to another Nazaretos video, and in today's episode I'm gonna install the new LED lights for the fog lamps. We have this amazing product, LASFIT, and I'll show you the details. These are LASFIT LED for the fog lamps. Nicely packaged. I love when they package the product the right way. There's some stickers in here. We have a little manual, LASFIT product manual. It shows you how easy it is to install these in different vehicles. It actually also explains if you need a decoder or not. But for my vehicle, we do not need the decoder. Here it tells you about product specifications. Overall, good little manual. Some stickers here. These are the lights themselves. Now you don't want to touch this with your finger, so be careful. They feel kind of heavy. Nice. Good rubber material here to seal the lamps. There's a little fan in the back. Nice. Looks good, feels nice. Good design. See, these are H11. And then also number E1F4944. Yeah, my whole interior is LASFIT LEDs. They're very nice. They're bright, good quality build. So, as you see here, we have original halogen fog lamps, and they're a little bit yellowish. They're still pretty bright, but kind of yellowish. And this is what we got in front of us. A little bit yellowish over here, and then the headlights keep hitting over there. So once we're gonna install LASFIT H11 LED lights, it's all gonna be nice and even lighting. So all you gotta do, turn your steering wheel to the right. This is the driver's side. Take your flathead screwdriver, and over here on the inside we have a clip. So take the flathead screwdriver, stick it in there, pop this clip, don't lose it. There's another one on the top here, right there. Put your screwdriver here. Right, can't see it. Pop that one. So we need to remove this mud guard, this splash guard out of the way. And I think we might need a 10mm. Alright, so now let's remove this plastic cover out of the way. And you see over there, this is our fog lamp right there. Let's see, zoom in, right there. So we can put our arm in there and twist it and disconnect it. So you see that right there, there's a little clip. Push on it. Now we disconnect our fog lamp, twist it to the left, and our halogen bulb is out. It's very easy. These are original halogen bulb, and this is, it says Germany. Wow. H16. Let's compare this to the LASFIT. So as you see here, it says H16 on this original halogen bulb. And then I opened my manual here. It also says, right here, it says H16. But then it says here, B, no light. Single beam bulb like H1, H3, H16. Disconnect the bulb from your vehicle, flip over. So it's gonna work. It's the same thing. Also, this one has 3 little notches, same as this one. Has the 3 little notches. A little bit longer. This LASFIT is a little bit longer one. No, actually just the back of it a little bit bigger, but it's about the same length. So I'm going to put that one away. We're going to insert this one, twist it clockwise, and it should be installed, and clip this connector. So we're going to insert this. All you gotta do, just twist it to the right clockwise, and that's installed. Very easy, don't use much force. And now let's take this connector right here and plug it in. Click and plug it in. Now let's turn on our headlights and fog lamps, see if it works. Now, if it's not working, we have to change the connectors. Unplug the little plug and change the connectors. So all I did, I just flipped the connectors and it works. I'll tell you this, it's very nice. Crystal clear, beautiful. It really matches the headlights. Let's turn it off. We don't need that on, it works. And it's very simple to put it back. Let's first check if anything is loose here. This cable. Good, it's all good. If you want, you can zip tie it nicely if you want. But I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. So, that's how it looks. Twist it counterclockwise, secure this, make sure this connector plugged in, and if it's not working, flip disconnect it and turn it the other way, and it did. All right, let's do this. Let's put this back. Take this plastic clips, you know, do everything in the reverse. You got the point. Good, this one is in place, this clip is in place, and this one is in place. That's all. Very easy. 1, 2, and then this one, 10mm. You don't really have to remove this. You can just access it by folding this panel out. You should be fine. But let's go on the passenger side now. Pop. Same thing right here. Remove. When you move this out of the way, you do have access right now. You can put your arm through. But I think I'm just going to remove this bolt too. It's much easier. Remove it. You guys can do it yourself. Very easy. And you will have a nice upgraded fog lamps into LEDs. And it's also good quality stuff. This one you're going to pull it down. Now get this little connector, push it, pull it down, twist it counterclockwise. Ta-da! Done. And let's insert the LASFIT one. So when you install it, don't just push it straight. Go a little bit at the angle like this. So this will align with the top hole, and then we just twist it. Also, if you're having difficulty you can just look on this side. As you see, everything is aligned, and we twist it. Good. Snap the connector, and before closing this panel, turn on your fog lamps. Make sure it's all connected the right way. And it works. It looks amazing, guys. So nice. I like that it matches the brightness on the top. It looks the same white color, very bright, very neat. And you can hear a little fan moan, little cooling fan. Nice. Let's put this panel back. Our installation is complete. This is how it looks. Even during daylight, it looks very good. All you hear is a little noise from the fan in the back. These are beautiful LEDs. Everything matches. No more yellow fog lights. No more yellow halogens. Looks beautiful. It looks so clean, so bright. And now you see what I'm talking about? Instead of all the yellow lines, now it's all blending in. It looks very beautiful. All you hear is a little humming noise from the back. Very bright. I'm not sure if you can hear this, but there's this little humming noise that's from the cooling fans. That's one thing I don't like about this LEDs, because they need those cooling fans. But look at the brightness, it's very nice. There's no more of this yellow haze from the old yellow halogen bulbs. Now it's all even. Let me turn them off. See? I want to mention one thing for you guys. In this little manual, it says installation guide for different vehicles. It's the same procedure. Twist, turn, clip. Simple. Installation steps for different vehicles. Now, this is the important part I want to mention to you. Decoder, it says decoder and notification. So it says some vehicles may meet compatibility problems, such as flicker, error code, or radio interference. Those a decoder could be needed. And it states that we appreciate you contact us via message, so you can contact this company and they'll send you this decoder if you have issues with your fog lamps or LEDs. So this is called like a CAN bus decoder. My vehicle didn't need it, but then it says resistor decoder. So if you have issues, this company will gladly help you, assist you. LASFIT. Thank you so much for sending this product, and I really do like it, the way it looks on my Rav4. So guys, now you know how to install your LED fog lamps. Honestly, this is a very good product. LASFIT, very good quality. I inserted all the LEDs in my interior. I'll show you the link in the description. But I always wanted to upgrade my fog lamps to LASFIT, and I finally did it. It's a good quality product, very bright. They have an amazing customer service. You'll be satisfied. I'm sure there are other products you can check on Amazon or whatever, but I stick to LASFIT. It works perfect for my Toyota. So thank you for watching Nazareto's channel, and as always, link, subscribe, share, whatever you guys feel like doing. Thank you for watching.